how much should you actually spend on a Road Glide phone mount? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Lamicall Bike Phone Holder. The Lamicall Bike Phone Holder caught my eye right away with its sleek design and solid build, priced at just $15.98. If you want an affordable option that keeps your phone secure while riding, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It grips your phone tightly, thanks to its unique shape and 4 rubber pads that absorb shock and prevent scratches. With more than 67,300 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's clear that this phone holder can handle bumpy roads without letting your phone budge an inch. Plus, it fits phones from 4.7 to 6.8 inches, including the latest iPhones and Galaxy models. You can even mount it vertically or horizontally, which is super handy for navigation. Now, some people complained about installation being tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's actually quite straightforward and doesn't require any tools. So if you're looking for an economical choice that delivers on its promises, this is definitely a contender. This is perfect for you if you ride casually and want something reliable without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something with more advanced features or heavier-duty construction. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if Lamicall's installation concerns bother you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Lamicall Motorcycle Phone Mount. Next up, we have the Lamicall Motorcycle Phone Mount, priced at $26.99. What really drew me in was its patented anti-shake design that promises to keep your phone stable even on the roughest rides. If you want a mount that protects your phone's camera, this is worth a serious look. The vibration dampener is a standout feature. It helps absorb shocks while you ride, ensuring your phone stays secure and visible. With a 4.5-star rating from 8,800 reviews, it's clear that many riders trust this mount. It fits most smartphones up to 6.7 inches and is compatible with handlebars ranging from 0.59 to 1.57 inches in diameter. This means you can easily adjust it to fit your bike. Plus, the one-hand operation makes it super convenient to lock and unlock your phone on the go. Here's the thing, if you have a slim case, this mount works like a charm, but it may struggle with bulkier ones, so it's something to consider based on your phone's setup. This is perfect for you if you prioritize stability and safety during your rides. Skip this if you have a thicker phone case or prefer a simpler design. It's a solid investment for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for extra security. Product number 3, BRCOVAN Anti-Theft Motorcycle Phone Mount. Coming in at $29.99, the BRCOVAN Anti-Theft Motorcycle Phone Mount is designed for those who want peace of mind while riding. What caught my attention is its secure lock feature, making it a great choice for riders concerned about theft. If you want a mount that keeps your phone safe and secure, this is worth a serious look. The sturdy construction features high-strength materials including aluminum and stainless steel, ensuring it won't break easily. Plus, with an adjustable design that accommodates phones from 5.4 to 7.2 inches, you can fit most popular models. It even has a vibration dampener to protect your phone from shocks. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 2,400 reviews, this mount has garnered a lot of trust. Here's the thing though, once you get past the setup, it's very secure and doesn't require constant adjustments. This is perfect for you if you're a commuter who needs a reliable, secure mount. Skip this one if you want something that installs in seconds without the fuss. It's a great choice for the added security. Next up, if you're looking for something that combines speed and ease of use, check out this next one. Product number 4, JOYROOM Motorcycle Phone Mount. The JOYROOM Motorcycle Phone Mount is next, priced at just $15.99. What surprised me is its autolock feature, which makes securing your phone a breeze. If you want a quick and easy mounting option, this is worth a serious look. This mount can hold phones from 4.7 to 7 inches securely, and its solid reinforced ball joint ensures that it won't break under pressure. It also boasts a shock-resistant design, which means you can tear through the trails without worrying about your phone bouncing out. With a 4.5-star rating from over 16,100 reviews, many riders have found it reliable. Now, some users did find the clamp a bit tight for thicker cases. Here's the thing, if you have a case that's on the bulkier side, you might need to adjust how you fit it in, but for most standard cases, it works perfectly. This is perfect for you if you like quick access to your phone during rides. Skip this one if you have a very thick case. For the price, it really delivers. Now, if you want something that can handle really rough conditions, check out our last contender. Product number 5, JOYROOM Dual Vibration Dampener Phone Mount. Last but not least, we have the JOYROOM Dual Vibration Dampener Phone Mount at $25.99. What stood out to me is its incredible vibration dampening, which is designed to keep your phone stable even at speeds up to 150 mph. If you want a mount that can handle extreme conditions, this is worth a serious look. It fits 4.7 to 7-inch phones and has a 360 degrees rotation, so you can adjust your view any way you like. Rated at 4.5 stars from 1,100 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among serious riders who value stability and durability. Now, some users have reported it can be a bit bulky. Here's the thing, if you prefer a sleek design, this might not be your cup of tea, but the stability it offers is hard to match. This is perfect for you if you're a speed enthusiast looking for extreme stability. Skip this if you want a more compact mount. It's a solid investment for serious riders. So to recap, we have the Lamicall bike phone holder for budget-conscious riders, the Lamicall motorcycle phone mount for stability, the BRCOVAN for security, the JOYROOM with quick access, and the JOYROOM dual dampener for speed enthusiasts. Each has its strengths depending on your riding style and needs. Choose wisely and ride safe.